your body, baby. And dust to dawn. You don't need experience to tell me all. You just leave it up to me. Show you what it's all about. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to be my world. And I'm not because I'm not protecting the world. Just want your best to tell your kiss. You got out today, baby. If you wanna undress me, you can't be too coy, mama. I know how to undress me. Let me be your fantasy, baby. You could be mine. You just leave it up to me. I can go and have a good time. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. Don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't no pity 'cause I'm no competitive, baby. Just want your legs to down in your yes. Not to sit tight.